Road e-bikes have quietly become one of the most practical ways to get around, whether you're commuting to work, cruising on the weekend, or just skipping traffic. And in 2025, the newest models are not only lighter and faster, but smarter too, with improved motors, longer range, and better handling across a range of budgets. In this video, we're counting down 6 of the best road e-bikes available this year, with a focus on key specs, real-world versatility, and overall value. All the e-bikes mentioned in this video are linked in the description below for more details. Number 6. Engwe Mapfour N1 Pro. If you're looking for something that's more than just a road bike, something you can take on uneven pavement, pothole-heavy streets, or even the occasional gravel path, the Engwe Mapfour N1 Pro might be worth a look. It's built like a commuter but brings in a few off-road features that make it stand out in this price range. The 750-watt brushless motor gives it solid uphill power, and with a dual battery setup, 48-volt 13-amp-hour as standard and an optional 48-volt 5-amp-hour secondary, the range can reach up to 75 miles combined. That's more than enough for most day-to-day use, with a max speed of 28 mph if you're using the pedal assist or throttle at full boost. One of the things that sets this e-bike apart is its full suspension. Front and rear shocks help soak up rough road surfaces, and the 20-inch fat tires add extra cushion and grip. It also has a foldable frame, which makes it easier to store or transport. You'll also get an integrated rear rack, fenders, and an adjustable handlebar and seat, which is handy if multiple people will be using the bike. Just know this one isn't the lightest in the lineup. It's heavier than most traditional road bikes, and those wide tires can feel a bit sluggish on perfectly smooth pavement. The overall look also leans more toward rugged utility than sleek city commuter. But if you want something that handles more than just pristine bike lanes and you're on a tighter budget, the Mapfour N1 Pro checks a lot of boxes. Number 5. Specialized Turbo Creo O2 Expert Carbon. For riders who care about speed, weight, and precision, the Specialized Turbo Creo O2 Expert Carbon is about as refined as it gets. This is a road e-bike built for serious cyclists, the ones who still want to climb steep hills, ride long distances, and feel connected to the road, but with a bit of added help when needed. At the heart of the bike is the SL 1.2 motor. It's one of the quietest on the market, and it doesn't just kick in when you need it. It matches your pedaling style with a torque-rich, smooth assist that feels incredibly natural. Paired with a 320-watt-hour internal battery and the option for a 160-watt-hour range extender, you're looking at around 80 miles of range standard and up to 120 miles with the extender installed. Weighing just under 30 pounds, this carbon-framed e-bike rides more like a high-performance road bike than anything else on this list. You also get FutureShock 3.0 suspension built into the headset to smooth out rough roads, and the SRAM rival eTap AXS12 speed electronic drivetrain for crisp wireless shifting. The integrated display and smartphone app give you real-time ride data and control settings on the go. That said, this is definitely an enthusiast-level e-bike. The price reflects that. And while it's packed with high-end components, there's not much in the way of cargo or mounting points, so it's less practical for hauling gear. But if your focus is on performance, long rides, and a road bike feel with motor assistance, this one delivers exactly that. Number 4. Aventon Level 2. If you're looking for a comfortable, easy-to-ride e-bike that doesn't cost a fortune, the Aventon Level 2 is one of the better options out there, especially if your main goal is commuting or casual rides on paved roads. It's approachable, reliable, and hits a sweet spot between performance and price. Powering the Level 2 is a 500-watt brushless rear hub motor paired with a 672-watt-hour internal battery. That setup gives you a range of up to 60 miles depending on how much pedal assist you use. Aventon also added a torque sensor this time around, which means the bike responds more naturally to how hard you're pedaling. A big improvement over earlier cadence sensor models. The frame comes in both step-over and step-through styles, so you can pick the version that best fits your riding needs. Both offer a relaxed, upright riding position that's easy on the back and shoulders, which is ideal for city rides and daily errands. You also get integrated lights, fenders, and a sturdy rear rack, all included, not add-ons. A backlit LCD display shows your speed, battery level, and pedal assist mode, and it syncs with Aventon's app if you want more data on your ride stats. Now, while this isn't the lightest e-bike on the road, and the rear hub motor doesn't feel quite as seamless as a mid-drive, those trade-offs are expected at this price point. For under $2,000, it's hard to find a commuter e-bike this polished, practical, and well-equipped. Number 3. Aventon Level 3. If you're looking for something a little more refined and road-ready than the Level 2, Aventon's Level 3 steps things up in several key areas. It's built for riders who want a high-performance commuter, something that feels smoother, handles better, and still offers everyday practicality. The most noticeable upgrade is the motor. You're getting a more powerful 750-watt rear hub motor here, paired with a torque sensor for better responsiveness. That means when you press harder on the pedals, the bike responds right away, making acceleration feel a lot more natural, especially in traffic or during stop-and-go riding. The removable 720-watt-hour battery gives you up to 70 miles of range depending on assist level and terrain. For most commuters, that's more than enough to get through several days without needing to recharge. The 8-speed drivetrain also gives you some flexibility for handling hills or riding without assistance when needed. Compared to the Level 2, the Level 3 feels more dialed in. The motor tuning is smoother, the frame is slightly more robust, and the rack is built to handle heavier loads. The large full-color display gives you access to speed, range, power levels, and more, and it syncs with Aventon's smartphone app if you want extra control or ride tracking. Now, it still uses a rear hub motor, so if you're chasing the mid-drive feel, this won't fully replicate that. And the price is a step up from the Level 2. But for frequent riders who want more range, power, and smoother assists, without jumping into the premium category, the Level 3 makes a strong case for itself. Number 2. Canyon Endurance AllRoad. Not every rider is looking for electric assistance, and that's exactly why the Canyon Endurance AllRoad earns a spot on this list. While it's not an e-bike, it's a strong reference point for anyone weighing the difference between a traditional endurance road bike and a powered option. Designed for all-day comfort and versatility, the Endurance AllRoad comes in either aluminum or carbon frame configurations and is built to handle everything from smooth pavement to light gravel. It clears tires up to 35mm wide, giving you a bit more cushion and control without sacrificing efficiency. At its core is the SRAM rival AXS 12-speed drivetrain, offering crisp wireless shifting and a wide gear range that makes long climbs or tempo rides feel more manageable. The integrated cockpit and internal cable routing give the bike a clean, minimalist profile, and the frame includes mounts for racks, mudguards, and even a dynamo lighting setup if you want to gear up for touring or commute-ready builds. Despite the endurance geometry, this bike doesn't feel sluggish. It stays responsive, lightweight, and steady even during extended efforts. Perfect for weekend riders, long-distance cyclists, or anyone who prefers the simplicity and feel of a traditional drivetrain. That said, if you're looking for pedal assist, this won't be the one for you. It's included here to help riders compare, especially those on the fence about going electric. If you like the idea of this frame but want motor support, you'll definitely want to check out what Canyon has done with the next model on the list. Number 1. Canyon Endurance ONfly. For riders who want an electric boost without giving up the look or feel of a true road bike, the Canyon Endurance ONfly is about as close as it gets. It blends classic endurance geometry with seamless e-bike integration, perfect for long-distance cyclists, weekend explorers, or anyone who wants support on the climbs without losing that road feel. At the center of the ONfly is the FazerRide 60 mid-drive motor. It's quiet, compact, and offers a natural-feeling assist that responds directly to your pedal effort. You don't feel it pushing you. It just makes the ride feel easier, especially on hills or longer efforts. The 430-watt-hour battery is fully removable and provides a range of up to 75 miles, depending on terrain and power level. And when you don't need it, you can remove the entire motor and battery module to ride it like a regular road bike. Weighing in at roughly 30 pounds, it's one of the lightest e-bikes in its class. The carbon frame uses Canyon's familiar race-oriented geometry, and the 12-speed Shimano drivetrain gives you plenty of range for all kinds of elevation profiles. While it's not set up for cargo or heavy loads, there's no rear rack, and the frame is built more for speed than utility. The ONfly is ideal if you're riding for performance or just want to enjoy longer days in the saddle with less fatigue. It's more expensive than many hub drive options, but for cyclists who want minimal weight, clean design, and smooth electric support, it's a top-tier choice. E-bikes make it easier to ride farther, faster, and with less effort, whether you're commuting, staying active, or just enjoying the open road. Each model on this list brings something different, so be sure to check the specs and pick the one that fits your riding style. You'll find links to all the bikes in the description below. Let us know in the comments which one you're considering or already riding. And thanks for watching.